Do you love brinjals or do you hate brinjals? For the longest time I can remember, I despised brinjals and this bharta was the only way my mother could feed me this vegetable. But one day when my doctor suggested that I should stop eating brinjals because I might be allergic to it, my heart sank a little. I wasn't particularly fond of it, but the thought of not having brinjal again in my life made me really very sad. Thankfully, my brinjal ban was lifted pretty soon, and ever since I started cooking, I have become more and more fascinated by the versatility of this vegetable. I love experimenting with brinjal in my cooking and have come to appreciate its unique flavor and texture. I have also learned that it is highly nutritious vegetable that is low in calories, high in fiber and minerals. Brinjal can be cooked in so many different ways, and when paired with the right spices and ingredients, it can be absolutely delicious. Although you can find different variations of this bharta across the country, some prefer to roast them while others prefer to boil them. This recipe serves as a more modern and time-efficient take on it. As air frying the brinjals before making a bharta is a lot less messy, the skin comes off pretty easily without much hassle, and the rest you can see in the video. Ultimately, people's complex relationship with brinjal reflects the many cultural, historical and personal associations that this vegetable carries. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video then please like, share and subscribe.